So now I'm just going to kind of go over the basic interface of iGoogle before we get started. So of course you want to go to www.google.com/IG, and it'd be really helpful if you signed in to your Google account. Like I said, create an account, or if you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google account. So at the top, it pretty much just looks like google.com, except it says iGoogle. And just to show you, if you're just using it as like Google, when you search, it's going to bring you search results just like Google would. So you can see that, and it's got still got the I'm feeling lucky. You know, the advanced search is exactly the same as Google.com. The main difference, of course, is these gadgets, and then of course the themes as well, which I'll show you in a minute. But here, down here below the search bar is where all your gadgets will be, and of course you'll be able to arrange these however you want and pick from hundreds and hundreds of them to pick the best things everything that you want on the front page. Here's by default what it's bringing up. We've got like a date and time, top news stories pulling from Google News, a how-to of the day, CNN.com. You know, weather, if you enter in your zip code, you can get the weather, just like that. Same for movies. So these are just some cool little gadgets that are here right off the bat. But I'll be showing you all the different categories of gadgets and everything you can add. You've also got this add a tab option, and iGoogle lets you have multiple tabs with different gadgets on them. At the top, just like most other Google products, you see some links to other Google things like a Google image search, Google Maps, Google News, product search, and Gmail. But when we're on web, we're on iGoogle. And then, of course, we've got a button to select our theme and add stuff, and I'll be showing you how to use those later. And just it's got your email up here to show you're signed in, and then links to your account and Classic Home. Anyway, that's just kind of a general overview of the interface of iGoogle. It's pretty straightforward and simple, so not too much to explain. But in the following clips, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize iGoogle to exactly what you want and add all the gadgets that you're interested in.